Hello and welcome to the lecture number 20. Now, in the last lecture was about gradient and how you can use different gradients and where you can find them in Illustrator. Now, the next tool is about how you can pick a color in Illustrator. Like if you want to make some design, I'm going to place one file and I'll use this one. As you can see, it has different colors, and if you're going to find these from here, you'll be in big trouble. So if I made one box or many boxes, like simple boxes over here, and I want to just pick color from here, all I have to do is go to this tool, eyedropper, select this. How you can select this, like I just press the control button and the color picker is selected, the eyedropper tool is selected, and still I can just click anywhere to select the element. And if I leave the button from control, I can just click on any of the color and the color code will be copied to the new object, and the new object will have the same properties of that color. So if you see, I have some gradient outline over here. The opacity is around 80 or 70, and if I want to make changes to this one, and if I go over here and I press the shortcut key, that is I on the keyboard, and I come back to this place and just click over here, all I get is the new box has the same opacity element over here, style over here, and the outline stroke is exactly the same and the color is exactly the same. So what you are getting all the properties from that thing to the new object. This will apply on the text as well. If I write over here grafixers and I select this eyedropper tool and click over here, what I get is the same opacity, it's 70, same stroke and color. If I reduce the color, you can see the stroke, you can see the colors as well. And if I change this to any other letter fonts or characters, and now I want this to be in this same style. So what I can do, I can just select this layer, go to eyedropper and click over here. What I get the same font and same size, but not the opacity. If I come over here, I can get the same things, the opacity as well, but if I go over here, I don't get the opacity for the text layers. Okay, if the next tool over here is a measure tool, like you can just read the measurements from this position to this, and this will indicate that it's around 800 pixels. And if I go from here to here, like it's like 490 pixels or points or anything you want to record. You can see the position, XY position as well, and the angle of the line. So here you can see the angle of the line, here the width, the height, and the positions over here. So this is a measuring tool, and only the architect, I think, will going to be used this. So thank you very much for watching this video for the eyedropper tool and the measurement tool, and I just tried to be very simple over here so you can understand it better. Have a good day. Bye bye.